Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of disposable gloves, and we've got something special in store for you. If you're on the hunt for the best XL disposable gloves for men, look no further. Introducing the ForPro Professional Collection Disposable Nitrile Gloves. These bad boys aren't just your average disposable gloves. They're engineered to provide top-notch protection, comfort, and versatility. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk protection. Made from durable nitrile, these gloves are chemical and puncture resistant, giving you peace of mind in even the toughest situations. Whether you're tackling messy kitchen chores, handling sharp objects, or working with harsh chemicals, these gloves have got you covered. But it's not just about protection. It's also about comfort and flexibility. The ForPro gloves boast a textured finish that provides excellent grip in wet or dry conditions, so you can maintain control no matter what you're doing. And with their powder-free and latex-free design, they're perfect for those with sensitive skin or latex allergies. Now, let's talk convenience. These gloves come in a pack of 100, so you'll have plenty to tackle any task. Plus, they're ambidextrous and disposable for single-use convenience. And with their beaded cuff design, you can easily slip them on and off without worrying about tearing or ripping. So there you have it, folks. The ForPro Professional Collection Disposable Nitrile Gloves are the ultimate choice for anyone in need of reliable, comfortable, and versatile disposable gloves. Whether you're working in the kitchen, tackling household chores, or handling tough jobs in the workshop, these gloves have what it takes to get the job done. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay safe and stay stylish with ForPro Nitrile Gloves. See you soon.